Aloha! My name is Leland, and I just discovered something really incredible about my skin and your skin, and I'm going to share it with you because it's incredible information that isn't out there from what I can see, and I guess I'm not surprised because it's free and you can do it yourself. You don't need to pay someone to do it. And so we know how it goes with those kinds of things. They're kind of hush hush. I just learned about face massage. This isn't the thing I'm going to tell you about, it just leads into the thing. I started learning about face massage and how good it is for your face because it improves blood circulation, oxygen to the cells, it reduces puffiness, and makes your skin brighter, and it's just really good for you. And also, it's massaging the skin. It moves your lymphatic system around. And if you don't know about your lymphatic system, you have all these lymph nodes in your body that take care of the toxins and the waste that's in your body, and it gets it out. And you gotta keep things moving in your lymphatic system. It doesn't move on its own. Like, it's not like blood that is circulated by the heart. The lymphatic system doesn't have a pump, so you gotta move it. You do that by moving your body, breathing, and also by massage. So, when was the last time you had a face massage? I've never had one. You don't need to pay someone to do this, and you don't need a book. Just go like this, okay? You really cannot do this wrong. Tap. Move this tissue around. It's probably never felt anything like this before, and that's good. Wake it up. I want to massage your face when it's dry, so I massage my face in the morning when I first wake up because it's really oily in the morning, and my massage, it like really glides. So I do this in the morning before I take a shower. So anyway, I'm massaging my skin the other day, and I'm wondering, like, what is this face oil anyway? Like, what is it even made of? And is it good? Is it bad? I'm rubbing it into itself, and I'm just so curious, like, what's the deal with face oil? I did my research, and I found out that face oil, it's called sebum, and it's made of 4 ingredients, and they're all really fantastic. Okay, so the first one is triglycerides, which is a type of fat, just like coconut oil, which we all know coconut oil is the cure for everything. They actually put triglycerides in cosmetics because of how it helps your skin retain its moisture. The second ingredient is wax ester. Wax ester is just like a type of wax, like beeswax is a wax ester. And have you ever heard about beeswax being good for the skin? Of course you have. Burt's Bees, anybody heard of it? Beeswax helps the skin heal, and it's moisturizing. Have you heard of jojoba oil? Jojoba oil is like a fancy oil you can put on your skin that makes it softer and helps it repair itself. Well, I found out that jojoba oil is actually liquid plant wax. Awesome! Okay, the third ingredient, this is where it gets really weird and interesting. It's called squalene. Squalene is really good. It's like the most powerful out of all of these ingredients. It moisturizes just like the other two, and it actually fights against free radical damage as an antioxidant. Now, a sad thing, especially for me, is that squalene production slows after age 30. So skincare companies know about this, and so they bottle it up and they sell it as like a fountain of youth products. And you're probably wondering where they get the squalene from. It's from Shark liver. Yeah, not all squalene is made from shark liver because some companies have ethics. You can also make it from olives, rice bran, sugarcane, wheat germ, but it's hydrogenated in order to make it last long on the shelf. So when they do that, it's actually called squalane. Doubtful that it's as beneficial to your skin as squalene, which is actually made by your own skin, like made in-house. Okay, the fourth ingredient is metabolites. Metabolites are the waste product of cell metabolization. And it's not good, it's not bad, it's just totally neutral, and it's not even worth talking about. So during my research, it was so annoying how many articles were in my way when I was looking for this information. All these articles wanted to tell me about how to get rid of face oil, how to prevent it, how to reduce it, what causes it. Strip off your beautiful sebum with cleansers and toners, and then you put back on the store-bought sebum, basically. Put on the coconut oil, put on the Burt's Bees, put on the jojoba oil, whatever. I mean, if you're gonna start doing that to your face is probably gonna rebel against you and just make more face oil, which, after what I learned today, is a good thing. Would you ever want your body to stop making sebum? Like, after you just learned all this? Natural triglycerides, natural wax ester, natural squalene, which is like $30 for a bottle like this. So yeah, you can buy all that stuff in the store, but your body is gonna recognize that that shit came from a shark. Your body is smarter than you give it credit for. It knows what it's doing, so I say just leave it alone. I don't think anybody realizes that they're waking up in the morning with this miracle $1,000,000 formula on their face, and that they could rub it in and massage and get all of these juicy benefits for frizzy. Now, the only bad thing that I could find about sebum when I was doing my research is that when sebum mixes with dead skin cells, it can clog your pores. All you gotta do for that is exfoliate. So I don't wash, tone, or moisturize my face at all. I just wash it with water when I'm in the shower. Wash with water, and I use a coffee scrub that I make. This is organic coffee grounds with oil. It doesn't matter what kind of oil you use. I think this is olive oil, but I've used coconut before, I've used black seed before. It's just to give it some movement. So I just put a little bit and then I just scrub very gently. That gets all the dead skin cells off. And then when I come out of the shower, my skin feels perfect. Super clean. It is clean. And it feels moisturized. It doesn't feel oily. It feels perfectly balanced, and it stays like that all day long. So I hope you're as excited about this information as I am. I want everyone to know that they don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on silly products that are only trying to replicate the magic that your own body is capable of. So get to massaging and enjoy all the benefits.